Ready to explore a wider world of entertainment and Netflix? With a global library of content, Netflix is home to a huge variety of shows and movies. What if you're missing out on something based on your location? The reality is, Netflix's content varies from region to region due to licensing agreements, but there is a strategy that will allow you to expand your viewing choices. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and should not be used to violate Netflix's terms of service, as this is unlawful and may breach copyright terms. The main way to access more content is using a VPN or virtual private network. This allows you to change your virtual location. A VPN essentially redirects your internet traffic through a server in a different country. This makes it appear as if you are browsing the internet from that location. To do this, you will need a VPN provider. Once you have chosen a provider, you must download and install the VPN app on your device. Now, open the VPN app and select a server in the country whose Netflix library you want to access. Finally, open Netflix. If the chosen location is successful, the content should have changed and the geo restrictions bypassed. If this doesn't work, try new VPN providers. Please use responsibly and only in a way that aligns with the terms of service. Thanks so much for watching.